term food forest, it's taking the layers and the ecology we find in a forest ecosystem and then integrating different elements of food or other human needs. If you think about a forest, you don't go and like fertilize it, you don't go and tend to it like you do agriculture or a garden. It's like self-maintaining, self-sustaining. It's this regenerative, self-evolving system. And so we can work from that pattern and mimic that system and then incorporate things that can also help us get our needs met.
Food forestry is helping us to collapse the binary between nature and farm, and really realizing that Mother Earth is our farm, and our farm should be Mother Earth, and that we can cultivate the natural food-bearing capacity of the land, not only on small scales in our individual land holdings, but also in large scale, including at the scale of national parks.
And just let everyone come in, so everyone has space. Come this way, and let me know when you're ready. 4, buckwheat. Number 5, tree collard. As a food forest has many layers, we're going to be working a lot with diversity. And I'm not even talking about just plants, but I'm also talking about of culture.
What creates diversity is relationships. It's not about the number of things in a space, it's about the number of relationships between them. It's more important to have 3 species that are perfectly interacting with one another than 50 that don't. And so when I'm looking at this, I'm not just seeing all of these layers, but I'm looking at what are the relationships between these layers. We've planted catnip all around because that's their host plant, and that's where they like to lay their eggs. So if you want to keep these things on your property, you also got to find the plant that is their friend. And in this case, they're called host plants.
Something to just be very clear about this is not a new idea at all. It's an ancient concept that indigenous people have been doing since the beginning of time.
These are the holders of scientific knowledge that spans millennia.
All of the work we do sits at the nexus of justice and sustainability. Those two things are inextricably related to each other. In order to be successful with our ecological work as communities, our ability to govern ourselves is a foundational premise to that work.
People tend to focus in on this question of like learning the techniques to be able to like plant the right trees. Most community land projects, those projects don't fail because people don't know how to plant trees. Those projects fail because people don't know how to self-govern.
In an era of technological advancement, I think it's really encouraging to see humanity plugging into the sounds of the birds, plugging into the way the flowers look, and plugging into the roots of these trees, and plugging into the way the soil smells, because that's where we not only help the earth thrive, but the earth helps us to thrive.
The food forest is a living system that is in action, and we're working in collaboration with it.